A wonderful and a pleasant day to everyone, to our respected dean, faculty members, and beloved parents, and most especially to all the students, good morning. Today, I am deeply honored and grateful to be invited as your keynote speaker for this seminar. Honestly, I didn't expect to be part of such a significant event, so thank you very much. Your invitation is truly appreciated. To share with you all, this institution is my alma mater. That is why when my former instructor handed me the letter of invitation, I was filled with mixed emotions. I asked myself, can I really do this? But that uncertainty didn't stop me. I accepted the invitation with conviction and gratitude because Intiense Campus holds a significant place in my heart. This is where my skills, my confidence, and my potential were nurtured and bloomed. I would not be the person I am today without this institution. But before we proceed further, let me first introduce myself. I am Kayla N. Patricio, 24 years old. I graduated with a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. In 2023, I passed the licensure examination for teachers. And in 2024, I completed my master's degree at Ateneo Dinaga University. Currently, I am a proud instructor at the University of Camarines Norte, main campus. As we move along in today's seminar, I hope you'll listen with open hearts and open minds. I'll be sharing not just insight, but personal experiences that I hope will resonate with you and inspire you. Our theme today is Say It Well, the skill of speaking with clarity and confidence. It focuses on how essential it is to express ourselves clearly and confidently, because effective communication is not just a talent. It is a skill that can be learned, practiced, and mastered. So what comes to mind when we hear the word speaking? Speaking is the act of sharing thoughts, ideas, and emotions through the power of voice. It is the bridge that connects one mind to another, allowing understanding, connection, and even inspiration to take place. And when we talk about clarity, we talk about delivering a message that is structured, understandable, and free from confusion. It's about choosing the right words and guiding your audience clearly through your thoughts. Confidence. Confidence, on the other hand, is the belief in yourself and the importance of what you have to say. It's reflected in how you carry yourself, how you make eye contact, how you project your voice, showing the world that your voice matters. Let me share a little about my journey. Back in elementary school, I was often chosen as the master of ceremonies for various student-led activities. I didn't fully understand why, but teachers believed in me. In grade 8, I wrote a speech that my teacher chose as the best, and I delivered it in front of students from different sections. In grade 10, I was again selected, this time as a resource speaker in a symposium. I remember crafting my own materials from scratch without even using Google. I was proud of that. I shared that day because I saw how engaged my audience was. My teacher, Miss Georgina Capuchon, gave me feedback I still treasure to this day. She said, I didn't even take notes. I just listened to you. When I taught the topic, I wasn't able to do it that way, as what you did. Those words lit a spark in me. But life isn't always smooth. When the pandemic hit during my senior high school years, everything changed. Schools closed and learning shifted to modules. I felt disconnected, demotivated, and unproductive. My passion was dim. I just did my schoolwork to pass, not to grow. When I entered college here at Intiense Campus, I struggled. I lacked confidence. I stumbled in recitations. I made grammatical errors. My self-esteem dropped. But I realized something important. Skills fade when left unused, but they can be sharpened again. So I choose to rise. I practice, I embrace speaking opportunity. I had mentors or instructors who pushed me beyond my limits, especially in speech classes. I started winning again, third place in extemporaneous speaking, best speaker in classroom presentation during first year college. Year after year, I regained my confidence. Now, here I am, once that shy young girl from elementary, now standing before you, speaking again. And you might wonder, why her? The answer is simple, because someone believed in me. My teachers, mentors, and this very institution believed in what I was capable of. And now I am asking you to believe in yourself. To every student listening, regardless of the struggles you're facing or the self-doubt you carry, you can rise. You are more than your mistakes. You are more than your fears. Your voice matters, and no one else can speak your truth but you. Take every opportunity to speak, even if you tremble. Embrace challenge, even when you feel uncertain. Build your clarity through practice. Grow your confidence through experience. Don't let your light be dimmed by failure or fear. Your story might not be perfect, but it's yours and it's powerful. So let me end by saying, just like how I started, raw, uncertain, but willing, you too can find your voice. You too can say it well with clarity and confidence. Once again, I am Ms. Kayla Patricio, your keynote speaker. Thank you, and may this seminar be a turning point for all of us.